Okay, so HTML format content unformatted. List of tags, comma separated, where the content should not be reformatted. Null defaults to the pre-tag. Okay, so this setting essentially means that whatever you put here, you're going to be identifying tags for which the content you don't want to be formatted, but the tag itself is formatted. So let me show you what that looks like. And it's much easier to show you what that looks like if we change this setting right here, which is the wrap attribute setting. So the wrap attribute setting, if it's set to auto, it's going to what you would expect with your attributes. If you set it to force align, for example, it's going to do this crazy thing where the attributes will be aligned. Okay, so with the setting set to force aligned, it will be very easy to distinguish between unformatted content and unformatted tags. So let's add the body tag. Let's pull this to here, and because this is only the content that's not going to be formatted, the body tag itself will follow this rule, force aligned. So if we save it to trigger format, you'll see that the tag itself was formatted, but the content within is not. And if we change the content within, nothing's going to change. It's not, VS Code will not reformat whatever is inside the body tag, right? Because everything inside is not going to be formatted. You can change the indentation, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so this is pretty much it. This setting is very much like the HTML format unformatted, the only difference being that this setting actually includes the tag itself and has being unformatted, so it's not going to format the tag itself nor its content. As this one will only not format the content. So let's remove body and everything goes back to normal. Obviously let's set this to auto and we're back, we're good to go.